No. What do they have in Botmart? Hello, what are these?
They are stick-bot ceiling fans.
Yes, I need one for my house. Can I get the silver one?
One is for $100.
There you go. Okay, bye.
You forgot the switch.
Sorry. Alright, I'm in my house already. Okay, so I'll put you up there. There you go. And where do I put the switch? Oh, here. Alright, it's on. Oh, perfect. This is perfect for my house. I like it. Alright, so... Wait, why is it not there anymore? Oh well, I just wasted $100. Okay, wait,
Hello there.
are you... Wait, are you the ceiling fan?